We want to evaluate this really disgusting limit expression in terms of f and f prime, but before we have a look at this, I want to show you this limit over here. Now, what does this limit mean? This is the limit definition of the derivative. This is one of two definitions. So this is f prime of a. And sure enough, this limit has the same form over here. Now, what is f of x here? What are we taking the derivative of? Well, it's simply whatever we see here. So in this case, the function we're taking the derivative of is this. We're going to use the product rule to take the derivative of this guy because we have x squared times f of x. You need the product rule anytime you have a product of two functions. X squared and f of x are our two functions. The way we do product rule is say take the derivative of one of these two, leaving the other alone, and then we're going to say plus the reverse of that. Let's take the derivative of x squared. So the derivative of x squared is 2x, and we're going to multiply by f of x being left alone. Like I said, we're going to say plus, but reverse the order. So now we're going to leave the x squared alone, and we're going to take the derivative of f. Well, the derivative of f is simply written as f prime of x. And now, you might think, well, are we done? Well, one last thing about this limit definition is that not only does it represent the derivative of this function f, but it also represents the derivative at the value of a. So once I have my derivative, I need to plug in the value of a in question. And that value of a is 5. So let's go ahead and plug in 5. This is going to give me 2 times 5 is 10, f of 5, plus 5 squared is 25, f prime of 5. And that is our final answer.